Hello friends, today we are going to make this super cute crochet cat coaster step by step. This coaster is beginner friendly, easy to follow and perfect for decorating your table or gifting to someone special. If you enjoy the tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We take here t-shirt yarn, hook and scissors. Here we will start making the coaster. First make a magic ring, then one single crochet, followed by one chain stitch and double crochet. If you want to learn how to make a double crochet stitch, you can visit my channel for an easy step by step tutorial. In total, we need to make 11 double crochet. Now the double crochet are almost complete. So let's count the all stitches carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. After that, pull the free loop as much as possible so the circle gets a proper round shape. Then close the magic ring and join it with slip stitch in the first stitch. Now leave the loop and insert the hook again into the same stitch to pick up the loop. Make one single crochet, followed by one chain stitch, then one double crochet in same stitch. In next stitch, make 2 double crochet in one stitch. Repeat the same process all around the circle. Here all the double crochet are almost completed. Now adjust the circle properly and close with a slip stitch. After that we will make the first ear of the cat. For the ear make 3 chain stitch, then one half double crochet, then one double crochet. Now skip the one stitch and close it with a slip stitch in the next stitch. After that, make 3 slip stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then take one more slip stitch, and in the same stitch we will make the second ear. Follow the same process that we used for the first ear. After completing the ear, close it again with a slip stitch. Again, make slip stitches all around the circle until you reach the cat's first ear. Here, the slip stitches are completed. Now, cut the working yarn and pull it towards the upper side. Then, with the help of the hook, take the yarn to the back side just as you can see in the video. After that, close both free loops the same way shown in the video. Try to secure the loops through multiple places so the coaster stays fixed properly and looks neat. If you want tutorial for basic stitches like the magic ring, half double crochet or double crochet, you can visit my channel. Thanks for watching.